Give me that camera, Mrs. Recovery Wild Camper. You just caught me doing my usual Saturday night. Dancing about the tent. So, Recovery Wild Campfire Kitchen is open, and tonight we're going to do a chicken curry. As you can see, I've changed tents. I've brought out Old Faithful, the old Vango 400 plus, I think it is. Yeah, the old Vango 400 plus, because Mrs. Recovery Wild Camper's coming in with me tonight. So fabby. So guys, I'll bring you back once I get organised. As I say, I wasn't expecting to start so quickly because I was doing my dance. So welcome folks. Kind of caught me at my worst or my best, one of the two. It's Saturday night in Recovery Wild Camper household. So Recovery Wild Campfire Kitchen is open, and tonight we're going to do a chicken curry of sorts. So I have chicken thighs that have been marinating since I come back from my failed sunrise trip this morning. So marinated in fenugreek, cumin, curry powder, chili flakes, cinnamon, there's some mint in there, a whole myriad of different flavours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in two stages. I'm going to char off the chicken first, then do the sauce separately, then add the chicken to the sauce. So let's get that chicken in that TF grill, guys. Oh, come on and have a look at this. This is RC. I'm going to get all them in, by the way.
Just do your best.
So we can do it. There's a bit of cinnamon stick there. I got another wee one.
Sorry. That was quite spicy, caught my throat here.
Yeah. And what we'll do, that's bubbling away. Oh yeah, fuck it. Why did I not think that would be hot? Right, we'll just shut this. So while this is cooking away folks, I'm just going to prep my veg. So I'll need to nip over here and grab an onion. You want to be look at the ingredients that we've got there, Shell?
Very nice. I like wee fish. Yep.
That's Freddy.
Was that Friday, is it?
Friday the Fash. Used to always do that on a Friday at work when I was working in the canteen. Friday was fish day and that was the garnish. Normally do it with an orange like that, but yeah, so I'm just going to chop up this cognol. Am I going to give us a dance, Mrs?
No.
Oh, there's the onion still going all over the place. Well, that took all of 5 minutes, didn't it?
Never took long.
Some of these chesty too. You know what? Do you think we're ready for a wee flipperoo?
I think so.
A flipperoo. So we shall get this done. See that the board's steady enough. Just need it roughly chopped. Don't know in any competition. Right, excuse me a little second till I grab my pepper. Red pepper, yellow pepper, green pepper. Is there a sweet pepper in the house? There's a sweet pepper. Just a matter. I'm wanting this chunky. Seeds and all. Seeds can get a bit bitter, but I like the seeds. Ooh. That sizzle, sizzle.
Fucking nice.
A nice crust on it as well. And now I need some mushrooms. Better watch I didn't burn my bits leaning over this fire. Once again, just roughly chopped. I could use another couple. What all you guys doing tonight? Are you out and about in your back gardens, taking part in this NHS camp for carers? This has been a great thing. You donate your money to help the NHS charities together, I believe. So I'm told it's the money raised is dished out fairly to all NHS trusts. So a wee bit of garlic. Really hard to chop with these gloves on, by the way. Right, what we're doing here. How we're looking, Michelle.
Looking
All
lovely.
these
Yum.
curry spices are stuck to that chicken. I know what we need. We need a wee bit of olive oil. A wee spray of the olive oil. Help crispen up the top of the chook. Anyway guys, I need to get organised for the sauce. So I'll bring us back shortly. Welcome back guys. Now I'm just about to do part 2. And that is the sauce. I'm going to get all the shenanigans in. So I've used some of the oil from the grill that the chicken was in.
Love it.
I'm going to need a wee bit more oil. You know, I don't really rate this stuff because it burns so quickly. So, just let all this saute off for a bit, and I'll grab some of my other ingredients. So we have some pickled ginger, we have some extra curry powder, and we have some chilies. On a spoon. This is an actual curry mix. I have in here cumin, coriander, curry powder, Madras curry powder, and some chilli. But I'm not going to use a lot of it because the chicken's already been marinated in a lot of spices. I don't want to blow Michelle's head off. Just a wee bit chilli. Do you want to come in and see what we're doing here?
Yes.
Camera person. And a little bit of ginger.
Yum.
Yum, yum, yum. Just have this saute off for a bit. So we'll let it go for a wee while and I'll bring these back once it's a wee bit further on.
Right.
So that's us back, guys. So we've made a wee bit of difference here. We've sauteed the veggies off. Yeah, get the camera in there and have a good old look here. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a little pre-made curry sauce that I made, and I've mixed it up with some chopped tomatoes. So bear with me. There we go.
It's a real big pan, that.
It is. I always think to myself the pan's too big, but see, once we add the chicken back into that, it's going to be lush. And all this grease will just melt away. So if you just give us a wee bit, guys, and then we'll bring it back in when this sauce is boiling up. Okay, guys, so we're just going to add this chicken back into the sauce. Got all these juices. Seriously need to see if TF do a bigger grill. Because that's only 5 pieces that's held. I'm going to have enough curry sauce to feed the whole army. And you know what, guys, I'm going to put all this juice in here. See this?
Oh,
The
yum.
loveliness of juices. So, wowzerinis. do we think, folks?
That
Do we
looks
like,
lush.
do we like a curry? What's everybody's favourite campfire meal? And don't say beans and sausages. Yeah, somebody once had a go at me on Facebook because I was on the banks of Loch Etive. Oh, who's this coming?
That's CG.
I was on the banks of Loch Etive and I made an Italian chicken. And they were like, who the fuck makes Italian chicken when they're out camping? I says, what do you have when you're camping? Beer. I was like, right then, okay. And what do you have to eat? Crisps. I was like, right, okay. Just for the educated amongst us, eh? So these are naan breads, warming by the fire. Oh, you know what we forgot?
Some beer.
Oh, we forgot a wee bit of the secret ingredient. Actually, do you know the secret ingredient for curry? When I first started in the catering trade, somebody told me about it, and I normally use it in all my curries, but I don't have any. And it's iron brew. At the point that you're putting your stock in, you also put in half a can of iron brew. Iron brew, why? Well, seemingly the owner of the oldest Indian restaurant in Glasgow swears by putting iron brew in his curry, purely because we don't know what's in iron brew, and seemingly it brings out the flavours and the spices. All his base curry sauces are made with iron brew. So, unfortunately I don't have any iron brew, so alcohol-free beer will need to do. So I'm going to get some rice on the go, guys, and get ready to serve up. So we'll bring you back in a wee bit.
Cool.
So here we are, guys. Chicken curry with chicken thighs, saffron rice, spiced onions, homemade spiced onions, and a big fat naan. So, you hungry, Mrs. Recovery Welcome?
Yes.
Let's serve it up. I can feel your meat going.
That's
There we go. Want your spiced onions on?
yes, please. Thank you.
Lovely, lovely. And a wee bit of greenery, just for shiites and giggles.
Now, does that not look beautiful? Wow.
So guys, thanks for joining. In fact, you know what, I'm going to taste test this so you can get the next one, Mrs. RC.
Okay.
So, let's have a wee go. Actually, can I go and sit in my stool? Oh. Need to get that fire on the go again for our s'mores. Oh, look at that chicken. Guys, that's lush. Awesome. So, I better serve up Mrs. Recovery Wild Campers, or she'll be probably eating that camera. Thanks for joining me, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, maybe thumbs up. if you're new to my channel, nice if you would just subscribe, that'd be grand. Comment and share. And I shall maybe catch you later on by the campfire when we're doing some s'mores. Giant marshmallows with chocolate digestive biscuits. Yes. Okay, see you in a bit, guys. Thank you. Cheers.
It's Saturday night. I'm feeling on song. I think I'm alright. I know I'm all wrong. The drink that I had 3 hours ago has been joined by 14 others in a steady flow. So let me walk straight. So let me walk straight. Don't let me feel pain. Don't let me feel pain. I'm gonna scratch cards. I'm gonna scratch cards with my key again.